Hey everyone, Double P here and welcome back. So in today's trading session for Wednesday, July the 5th, I believe it is, Wednesday, July the 5th, just had to double check on my phone because I never know what day it is. We attacked NVDA, so let's kind of get into it. You see my account there, margin, data, everything's in real time. Stock is in real time. MX, New York Stock Exchange, NASDAQ, equity options, real time. Futures and futures options, I don't trade it on this account. So I have the feeds live somewhere else, so I don't need it. Never make your brokerage pay for more than what you want to pay for. Forex, real time, others in real time. So everything's all in real time there. Let me just update this. So today we attacked NVIDIA. NVIDIA was a beast today. So let's get this out of the way. First of all, let me send out over here the text alert that I sent out to my members. It was the 7th of July 23, 437.50 strike call. You don't need to know what we paid for it. My members know what we paid for it. Looking for a plus 25% profit. And as you see right here, I got out here, sold it, closed it, 33,200. So that was the text alert sent out. Let's come over here and grab what I made. You already saw that, but let me just show you that right there. So 44%, 33,200, closed profit done. 304 closed it roughly around, $3.04. You see, you might not be able to see the option over there, but the option here hit a high of $3.50. So what do we do here? We look at the box. Let's look at the first thing. Let me move this over here so that you can actually see it. So here's the box. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. I'm going to move this over here because my camera never seems to get me when I'm in here. So here's the box. What do we do when the position opens up above the box slightly? We take a long position. If it opens up below the box slightly, we take a short position. If it opens up way under the box, which is what NVIDIA did, we're gonna wait because chances are it's gonna bounce off the low and it's gonna rip and it's gonna try to go through that box. And if it makes it through that box and it's very strong, then it's gonna rip, as you can see what it did right here. So I'm on a 2-minute candle. Sorry, let's go back to the 5-minute candle. I was on a 5-minute, but I'm gonna go back on a 2-minute here so that you can see it. So let's do this properly. The result is no different. So what does NVIDIA do? Look at the size of this candle. This range candle right here, this was approximately $4, I believe it was when I looked at it when we were trading. Yeah, so you can see the range right there where it says $4.99. That was the range. I thought it was a $5 move on a 2-minute candle. So I'm trading on a 2-minute candle now. Had to change my time frame around because the 1-minute candle is a little bit too choppy. It's too crazy. So 2-minute. Let me just move this over here. So on a 2-minute candle, you've seen the rip on NVIDIA, $5 move, broke through the box right here. Here is consolidation. This is mid-level consolidation right here. I just waited and I waited and I waited. I wanted to actually take this position right here. That's when I wanted to take the position, but I just waited. I took the position and then from there, everything just ripped. Now, there was a little bit of a downturn, but if you have the system set up like how I tell you to set it up, you can see that the volatility bands expanded here. So these are the volatility bands. They opened right up. Here's the 200. Here's the 20. You can see it dip right here under the 20, but here's the support right here, and it just ripped. So let me draw the channel for you. Let me come over here and draw the channel tool. So right here in mid-level consolidation, I mean, I could draw the channel from there, but I didn't. In real time, you draw the channel from here, because you have to look at the slope, right? So when you're looking at the slope, let me move this over here like this. Let me move this over here. So now you can see that slope. That slope is vicious, right? It's just walking itself up, higher highs, higher highs, higher highs. See how it broke outside of that channel right there? So when we're looking now, let me shrink this down so that you can see it. So here's the channel. Look at the steepness of that channel. You see right here when it breaks that channel, this is support 1. This is support 2 right here. So that's support 2, that's support 1. The vertical channel, or the vertical channel is support 1. The horizontal price level is support 2. That's resistance. So you can see it just kept moving up and up and up. Consolidation, high level consolidation off of the high right here. And then once it breaks that channel, you get out of the trade, right? So that's it from Double P. I hope you enjoyed this trading session. So you can see right here, I mapped out all my price levels and I got pivot points on. So pivot points, price action, volume profile. You can see the volume profile right there. I have the volume profile in. This was a beautiful, beautiful trade. It took a while for it to materialize, but I always tell you, you have to be, when you get into a trade, you have to be patient. You have to look at the setup. You have to wait for the setup. And when you see the setup, you got to go attack it, and you got to go attack it with size and vigor. So that's what I did. I attacked it with size and vigor because I understood, looking at what's going on in the marketplace, that hey, NVDA is strong. It's super strong. It's still on an upward trajectory, and intraday it's making always new highs. So when I'm looking at this right here, this right here is consolidation above the box right here. I'm just waiting because now I know it's going to either take off or it's going to tank. But I knew because of the box, because of the way the channel was going, the way the strength of the stock was moving, that we knew that the breakout was eventually going to happen. And when the breakout happened, you see that right there, you see the escalator to the upside. So that's it from Double P. Hope you enjoyed this trading session. I'll see you in the next trading session. Take care.